Yo, what's up, guys? We're back for another video, and today it will just be a compilation of me building PCs, just chilling, building some PCs, and yeah, this video is a full compilation, so it will be pretty long, and yeah, guys, we're back for another video. Today we'll be just chilling, building some PCs. Okay, first for our first PC that we're gonna make, we're gonna choose the CPU. Our processor should be like, I want to get a Ryzen 5. Yeah, I'll get the 5600X for $100. Yeah, I want to try and build a budget build first. So this is going to be our budget build. This is only $100 for our budget build. $100. 3 gigahertz. Yeah, it's pretty good. CPU cooler. You get something pretty cheap. This is a little bit, I don't know, a little bit too cheap. What is it? Liquid freezer? Is that right? Yes. That's good compatibility. For a motherboard, it's that budget though. An $80 motherboard won't really do it. Yeah, I'll just get the Asus Prime B550M, which is actually pretty decent. Memory. We need to have some. We need one DDR5. Where's DDR5? We always need DDR5. Come on. Okay. I'm just gonna get like a 32 gigabytes of DDR4. Yeah, I'll just get that. Additional memory, 32 gigs of DDR4. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll honestly take that, but guys, yeah. So this is what we're doing in today's video. We're just gonna build some PCs and yeah. So yeah, 64 gigs of memory should be pretty good. So for our storage, I'm gonna get some decent storage. So I'm gonna get this 2 terabyte storage. But we are gonna add. I want to have 6 terabytes. So where's the Samsung 990 Pro? Yep, there we go. So far our build costs $800. It's under $1,000, which is pretty good. Okay, our graphics card. These are gonna be the most expensive part. RTX 3060. So get a 3060, but that would make our budget build more expensive. $2,000. Yeah. This is a lot. The Founders Edition. It's a 4090. So we're just gonna go to the top and get an RTX 3060. We're not getting a 4090 for this build. I'm not gonna add another graphics card. I think it should be fine. Wait, is it? Let me check out this. Wait, DDR6, pretty decent. Yeah. Wait. Guess I was just trying to check out the things again. Wait. Let me see something. Okay, so 12 gigabytes. That's another 12 gigabytes. Okay, 4060 is just. Why is a 3060 cheaper? I don't know. Okay. I was gonna see like the pixels. I can't access the pixels. Okay. Got a decent CPU at least. Okay, what is gonna be our case? Okay, Cooler Master. I don't want to get like a really expensive case because we could get like a touch case, but these are $300. So we're gonna get the Phoenix Pro Ultra for $78. And next, power supply, 750 watts, ATX 80 plus gold for $100. I think let's just browse. See, I want to get like a 750 watts. 750 watts, that'll be good. 750 watts is fine for this PC build, and we're just building PCs, not full gaming setups. So we're not going to choose a monitor or anything. Our Okay, I'm gonna do a cheap out build. Windows 10 would be good, but it would make it a decent PC, but like, yeah. Okay, so I will end this soon after we pick our operating system, because I have to close all of my, like, I mean, not close like anything. I have to delete all of the parts because I'm not saving anything. Okay, let's see. So yeah. Okay, let's get on $134. Okay, 100. Yeah, I'll get Windows Home Retail 10, Windows 10. And that is our current PC build. It's going to be $1,500. I didn't think that would be that, like, expensive, but it's not like $7,000 or something. So, yeah, I am going to end this recording and delete all these, like, things. I'm going to adjust my chair a little bit. I will delete all those things so then we can get started on our next build. It's not going to be a budget build. We don't have a budget for the next build. But I didn't even give myself a budget. I'm just going to try and make a cheap PC. But we're just not going to try and do something cheap. We're going to do any price for our next build. See you in that part. End. All right, we're back for the second part. I just cleared everything up and edited that first part and everything. First, for our normal PC build, we're going to choose a processor, a CPU. So, I'm going to get the Ryzen 5 7600. Or looking at the Ryzen or 7800 XP, then 9800. Oh, let's get an Intel. I want to get an Intel one. Intel Core i9. That's an i3. Now it's old. That's Intel Core Ultra i9. Okay. There is an i9, but I'm gonna get an i5. 4.4 gigahertz on it. 5 gigahertz. Intel Core i7. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That'll be a decent processor for this PC that we're gonna build. CPU cooler. I kind of want to get this one, but let's go down. There's the Nocta NHD15. There's also the Thermalite Phantom Spirit 120 SE. I want to get a high 200 to 100. I need it to. Ooh, that's a good one. That's 2,000 RPM. That's gonna be good, pretty good. Now, that's a little bit too much. I just want to get. Let's get an 1800, 200, 1800 RPM. CPU cooler, the motherboard. This is going to be probably a gigabyte. Let's do MSI. I like MSI. Let's do the B70. MSI B70. Okay, before we do the memory and stuff, I'm just going to choose the graphics card early. The Founders Edition, it takes 5090. We sell them to 50. It has no price, of course, but like NVIDIA Founders Edition. RTX 4070 Super, 4070 Ti. That's gonna be $800. So I want to do like $300. No, that was for our last PC build. That was the same one. The Intel Limited Edition. No, I don't even know what that is. Arc B5880. I don't even know what that is. And the Founders Edition, that will be $3,000. Nope. I am not getting a 4090 for this PC build. Let's get the 4060 actually. I just like the 4060. Next, we're going to choose the memory, of course. So, this is actually DDR5. There's finally DDR5 memory. Who would ever think there's DDR5 now? And literally in the last recording, there was only DDR4. Okay. This is 16 gigabyte. I want 32 gigabyte. Yeah, this is actually really good. The G Skill Trident. So I'm gonna add some. Okay, I want 64 gigs of memory. Just gonna add some more. This processor though, I might actually change that later. Okay, let's choose some storage. That's gonna be 1 terabyte. Price per gigabyte. Yeah. Okay, it's decent. Yeah, I'm just gonna get 1 terabyte, and then I'll add some more. I'll add some more later, but so far we have 1 terabyte. For the case, I'm not gonna get a touch case. This is tempered glass. Tinted tempered glass would be good though. This is pretty good, but this one is a little bit too cheap. Black, and it only has tempered glass. So I'm actually just gonna get let's get the Corsair 3500X RGB ARGB. ARGB, yeah. Okay. Okay, that's just tempered. I want tinted. This one's $100. Yeah, I just get that. So yeah, power supply. For the power supply, I want to just go like what? Be quiet. Wait, when was this a brand? When was this a brand? Okay, I'm not ordering from them. No. Okay, MSI. Actually, Thermaltake. Thermaltake. We need a Thermaltake one. So this is ATX 80 plus gold. 850 watts. We need 1050 watts. Yeah, 1050 watts. That will work very well. Time after. Okay, I'll choose an operating system after. But we need to add some additional storage. It has like no storage. Only a terabyte. Let's get the 2 terabyte. Yeah, to get the SN850X for $100, and then so that will mean we will have 3 terabytes. I'm gonna add an extra 2 terabytes. Yep, and then now we have compatibility issues. We have compatibility. I'm gonna get rid of this. Yeah, now they're good. We need to make it compatible. For the final bigger bill, let's see what the operating system should be. There is Microsoft Windows 11 Home Retail, 64-bit. I want a USB. Yeah. There's this one for USB. This one USB 32. This is 32 and 64-bit. So I'm not sure which one I should get. Which one do I get? Let's just get the 32. The 32 and the 64-bit one, and that is our current PC and $2,000. Okay, yeah, guys, I am gonna change this CPU to a little bit of a cheaper CPU. Okay, that is 2.5 gigahertz. I'll do the 3.7. That's 172. That's like $30 cheaper. And now it's a fully compatible PC. Compatibility seen it's below. Yeah. This should be a pretty good PC. Now that's the PC. That's our second PC of this video. Why did I just stutter? Okay, that was the second PC of this video. Stay tuned for the third PC of the video. Alright, peace. The third part of the video is here. So I was just actually recording the third part of the video just a minute ago, but I had to end it in like 20 seconds. Because I made my face cam too big. So yeah, we're here for the third part of the video. And so first, for our next PC, we will be just choosing the CPU. Okay. I like the Ryzen 5. Okay, so we're just I don't know, it could be AMD and Intel. Wait, that's just all basically. Okay. I don't know what our processor honestly should be. I don't want to get an Intel right now. Wait, is there such thing as a Ryzen 4? Is that a thing or Wait, Ryzen 1? No, there's no such thing. I kind of want the Ryzen 9, the AMD A10 6700. I don't even know. I've never heard of that. Never heard of that. Wait, what did I just do? Huh? Okay, guys, I might need to refresh that. Wait, And my skin's still running fine. Okay, let's re-choose the CPU. Okay, the Ryzen 5 7600. I didn't want to get that, but I might actually get it. Look at I want a Zen 5 though. Yeah, Ryzen 9. Yeah, that'll be good. CPU cooler. The Kraken Elite 360 with RGB LEDs would be good, but this one is a little bit cheaper. It's a liquid freezer. I don't know. This the Nocta NUT Green Chromax Black. That doesn't look that good though. I just don't think it would look well in a PC. Alright. Andy Rasp Prism. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Rasp Prism because I'm pretty sure it'll, since it's AMD, they're both AMD, I think it'll go well with each other. See if there is compatibility. Motherboard. I want Asus this time. Next time I'll probably get a Gigabyte one. Okay, so Asus ROG Strike. This would be pretty decent, actually. No, I'm gonna try Gigabyte and Asus. So, wait, there's one Gigabyte one. It was this. Wait, I'll just get the Pro Ice instead. This motherboard is looking pretty good. Okay, so the memory. I'm gonna choose the memory and storage in a little bit. For the graphics card, though. I don't know. This I'm not ever getting this in a PC build till it actually comes out, because I'm only allowed to use things that came out. It's a 5090. 5090s don't even exist yet. So yeah, okay. I kind of want to get. Oh, there's tons more. Dang. All right, I didn't know they had these. They had these. Yeah, let's get AS Rock and AS Rock RX. So there's certain ones. No, I don't want AS Rock. I don't want AS Rock. I want Acer. Acer. Yeah, I want the Acer Nitro OC. Wait. Yeah. No. I don't want an Acer one at all. I just want. Let's get BFG. BFG. Is there any? There's only one. How am I going to choose a graphics card if there's no BFGs? So I can only. Let's. Dell. Does Dell even make. Yeah, they only made one graphics card that is on this website. What the heck? Okay, let's get Galaxy. Please have a lot. Yes! GeForce GTX 40. I'm gonna get GTX. These all haven't even come out yet. So then I'm not allowed to get most of those. Is there any Lenovo ones? Is there any Lenovo? Please? Okay. I've decided. Oh. Okay. Founders Edition. Is my dog in there? No. Okay. I do not know. Okay, let's just get let's get the 4070 Super. 4070 would be good. Decent. That would be decent. So, for this one, I'm not going to get another graphics card because there's like no good graphics cards that are in stock. So, this Airflow one, wait, okay. Actually, I changed my mind. Yeah, I want this. Power supply. Has no power supply, but I don't even care. I'll just choose power supply. This one looks like a really, really cool. Wait, let me. I don't think my charger. No, that was my thing to plug into my laptop cooling pad. Okay, 5-star, 100%. This is great. Oh my god, this looks no price available. Okay, let's just add this. This looks great. That honestly looks awesome. For the power supply, this is the Corsair. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Silverstone Gila. That is $1,000. Be Quiet, Dark Power 13. I don't even know what Be Quiet is. I don't even know that company. But let's get it. I just want to see if it's a good running. If it's good. Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna end this recording for a minute. Cut. All right, guys, we're back. I just cut the video to take a little break. But we're back. I saved everything. It's on here. So yeah, we can choose an operating system next. Case and power supply, pretty good. Operating system will be I don't even know. Yeah, is this the only one? Wait, so I'm not sure. 128 gigabytes supported memory. 62,000 gigabytes. Pro. Windows 11 Home. Let's just get Windows 11 Home. I wasn't planning to get that, but I don't know. Alright, let's just get some memory. DDR5 6400 per 32 gigabytes. Yeah. No, that's what we got in the last one. Let's get 16 gigabytes of DDR4. DDR5 for that. And then let's add a little bit of additional memory. DDR5 6000, 16 gigabyte, yeah, 32 gigabytes of memory. Then we can choose our storage. I am gonna get let's get the Western. No, that's only a terabyte. I want to get at least 2 terabyte. Wait, it's just I'll just get this. Let's add some additional storage. So that was only 2 terabytes. Let's get 990 Pro 2 terabytes, and our 4 terabyte computer is done. Yep. Our computer is now done with the Ryzen 9. Everything. And yeah, that was our third part. So yeah. See you in the next part. Part 4. Again. So, part 4 of this video, let's just instantly get into this and choose a CPU. So, $5,000 for a CPU. That's $5,000. Let's just lower this to $839 is the max. That's a Ryzen 7 7800. I did not want to buy this. It's only Zen 4, but let's get it. How many? 3.8 gigahertz. That's not too bad. It's I don't know. This is kind of expensive. This Phantom Sphere one will probably work good. Okay. Whew. I don't even know. I'm really tired. Okay. MSI B650. This gigabyte one should be good. I wanted to get. There's one Eagle one that I'm gonna get. It was not this one, but we are gonna get this motherboard. Yep. Memory. That's $300. Yeah, I think that's a decent motherboard. How much is our build so far? $500. I have a feeling. I have a pretty big feeling that it is going to be very expensive. So yeah. We're gonna wait to choose the memory and storage. I'm just gonna choose the storage right now, and then I'll do the memory later. This goes for 2 terabytes. I'll get that. Add some additional storage. 980 Pro for 1 terabyte. Yeah, I'll get that. 3 terabyte build. Let's add 2 terabytes actually. 2 more Yeah. No, that'll be good. On my guy, I have 7 terabytes though, so let's add 2 more terabytes. Yeah, that'll be good. PC is like $1,000 now. Yep. Wait, it already has 7 terabytes though, so that should be good for that. But yeah, that should be good for the storage. Perfect amount of storage for our graphics card. I could get the MSI 3060. but I'm just gonna get a gigabyte. Okay, this is a 4080 Super. Is there any 4090s? Default gaming lock. $2,000. Oh my god. 3,000 for this PC. Let's add one more. Let's get the 40 to fit. No. Let's get just another 4090. I think it's pretty reasonable. 6K. Okay. 2 graphics cards is not. I don't know why I would need that for a PC. This, just by looking at the case for 1 second, this looks awesome. It's a great white case. Honestly, think that is dope. That is dope. Okay, now let's choose the memory. This is 32 gigabytes. This is DDR5 6400 or $200. Yeah. Yeah, we are getting that. Okay, this is 32 gigabytes. I can go with that. I could just get another 64. Let's just get 16 gigabytes. I think that should be good. There's 2 memory. Okay, let me pull up my calculator. 1 second, guys. So 60. Wait, can you guys even see it? No, you guys can't see it. I just only have my. Okay, 64 plus 16. 80. 80 gigabytes of memory. Great. Okay, now 2 left. Power supply and an operating system. Silverstone, I think, yeah. I won like 1,300 watts though, so I will get that. These are compatible. Let's go. Next, finally, for the operating system. I like the USB 64-bit, but I could do the download 64-bit. Yeah, Windows 11 Pro DVD 64-bit. 32 to 64-bit. Yeah, I think I'm getting the Windows 11 Home Pro retail USB 64-bit. And that is our PC for the 4th part. See you guys in the 5th part. Alright, guys. Now. We're back. I waited a couple hours. I took a big, long break to make the 5th PC. So, yeah, we're here again. Let's just use the CPU for the 5th PC. No, 4th PC, actually. Because I'm doing it by parts because I cut one of my parts. Because I just wanted to take a break in the middle of one of the PCs. Okay. Let's just select the CPU. Alright. Let's see. I don't know. I wanna Okay. Let's go for an AMD. We need an AMD one. AMD. Okay. I might go. This is the same one as last time, but this one, it's probably 1 gigahertz. Zen 4. It's decent. The Ryzen 5 7600, but this one looks good. What about this one? The 500 IBX. It's just slightly better than this one, but I'm still gonna get this one. I just want to make a decently cheap build for this one. Okay. Should I get this one? It just looks weird. Yeah, it just looks weird. Yeah, let's get... That's $1,000. Oh my god. Okay, we want to get something cheap. $20 one. I don't think that'll run very well. I'm gonna get this $100 one instead. The Corsair. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay. Next we have the motherboard. The Gigabyte KV2 A520M. Oh, I'm kind of stuffy. This one, it looks decent, man. Looks kind of decent. Anyway, guys, okay. It looks kind of decent. Yep. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm so tired. Let's get a gigabyte one, and let's get an Asus one. I like the Tough Gaming. That's $100. Actually, no, the Asus Pro R. That looks actually like a really good motherboard. 128 gigabytes. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, we'll choose the memory now. 16 gigabytes of DDR. There was DDR5, now there's DDR4. Yeah. Why? I'm too tired. Okay, please. Can I choose if it's DDR4 or DDR? No, I can't. Let's get DDR4, 3600. I'll just get a couple things of that. That's 32 gigabytes. So I'll just get two things of that. DDR4 memory. Yeah, that should be decent. Okay. Samsung 990 pair for 4 terabytes. I really like the 4 terabytes, but it's $300. So I'm just gonna get the 2 terabyte version. Not a version, but like I'm gonna get 2 terabytes. Then I'm gonna get 1 terabyte. So a 3 terabyte PC build. Next, the graphics card. I don't know why they call it a video card. Is that like an official name for a graphics card? I don't know. The 3060 looks good. This is a 4060 though. This one looks really good though, the RTX 4060. What do we do? This is a 4090. That's $3,000 though. This is the RTX 4080 Super. That is way too expensive still. I'm just gonna go with the 4070 Super for 600. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Wait, there's literally no price available. I'm gonna have to get a new motherboard instead. I only can make like available motherboards. I'm just gonna get the gigabyte. Yeah. Is there any available price? Wait. Okay, there's an in-cat. Yeah. They won't run together. So let's just get Asus RG Strix. That's fine, right? Yes. Okay. Now we have a working build. We only have 3 terabytes, right? Okay. But this is RTX 4070 Super, which will be decent. 12 gigabytes of VRAM. Okay, next for the case. The case of this PC, it would look fine being like a tempered glass one. I just opened files on accident. Okay. It would be good doing like a tempered glass one, but I kind of want to do a different case, so tempered glass tinted. So I'm just get the first one that appears. Actually, no. I want tinted. Okay. Let's get an ATX desktop. This one, that looks really good. Yeah, this Snow Edition ATX, that looks good. Oh, there's no prices available though, so I'm gonna have to get a new case. Okay, let's get a case. Another case. This Logitech 6R, yeah, I already think this looks good. And it is compatible, and there is a price. Power supply. I'm gonna get a 2023 one, and this is 1,000 watts. Don't see any issue with that. 525 watts. Again, operating system. What should we get? Windows 10 or 11? Wait, can we get... Wait. Asus Maximus? Okay. I was gonna try and get Windows 7. Oh my god, I can't get the memes. I'll just mention that meme. What was that? Yeah, that one meme. 7 people are still on Windows 7. You literally can't even do anything on there anymore. How are you still on that? So we can do Windows 10 or 11. I am going to get Windows 10 Pro Retail, USB 32 or 64-bit, but I need an available price. So it's 10. Actually, just going to get Windows 11 Pro OEM. That should be fine. And that is that PC build. I'm probably just gonna edit this and go to bed, or I might just make one more PC for day one of making this compilation. I don't know. This compilation is gonna take a long time, so I might make one more. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next part. It's the next day. It's been a whole day since I started making this video. We're gonna do our sixth PC. I don't even know. Okay. Processor, CPU. So I want to get a 5 gigahertz one, 5.1 core. I want the core clock to have what did I just do? Now it's all these. Let me go after that and then go back in. So I want to get a good Intel one for this one. It's 12600K. Yep, this is gonna be our CPU for this PC. I'm really stuffing and stuff, but doesn't really matter. Unplugging my computer. Okay. CPU cooler. So, could get the Corsair IQ, or no, let's not get that. Let's get Asus graphics. That's $1,000, man. No, I'm not gonna. Let's get the Aqua Elite V3. That actually looks very good to go with the CPU, and it has compatibility. Yeah, the same area. Yeah, they should be good. Okay, for the motherboard, I want to get a decent motherboard that can go well. Oh, yeah, Micro ATX will be good. But okay, there's a ton. Let's just get Maxon. No, there's no image. I just want to see the thing. Okay, let's get Gigabyte. I want the Z790. The Eagle. E790. I'll get the Elite X. AX. So that's our motherboard. Yeah, yep, they have compatibility. Alright, let's just choose an operating system before we do anything else. 2,000 gigabytes. Yeah, let's get Windows 11 Pro, actually, because then we can have, any, thing we want, yeah. Okay. Let's just choose a graphics card as well before we do any of that. RTX 5090, the only thing I literally can't even get because there's no price. Okay. Okay. Let's get an RTX 4080. I just want a good RTX 4080. It's a tough game. Yep. $1,000. Dang, the bank is broke. Okay. Let's not add another graphics card. That's gonna be too much. Okay. Let's get this 1 terabyte. Should I just get 1 terabyte? No. We need more. This 990 Pro will get another terabyte, but no. 980 Pro will get 2 terabytes. Yeah. Okay, so a 3 terabyte build should be pretty good for this PC. DDR5, yep, add. And then additional memory, I will do 6400 G-Skill Trident Z5 RGB. Is this? Let me see this. I just want to see this image. Yeah, it should be good. That should be good. This Corsair 64 gigabytes. It says it. Oh, I didn't add that one that I wanted. It was the was the yeah that's all the memory. Oh, but yeah, compatibility issues. But we still need a lot of memory, so I'll just for the memory actually I'll just get the same memory, the G Skill Flare X5. Yeah, I'll just get that twice, and then it has good compatibility. Okay, for the case, we want the Touch Infinite. Ooh, it has a touchscreen and it displays the temperature. Let's buy it. Got that one, and then the power supply is the final thing. Okay, we need like the best power supply, so I'm gonna get MSI. That looks decent. No, this actually the MSI Mag, A65, GL. Yeah, this looks that's a cheap and good power supply, and luckily it has compatibility. And 633 watts. It's a decent PC. Wait, did we forget anything? No, we got the CPU. Let's see the total. This is gonna be expensive because it's $1,000 for the thing. Yep, this is a dent in the bank. Oh my god, okay. Guys, I'll see it in the like 7th PC that we built today. It's like the 7th PC or something. What the heck? Okay, CPU. I'm gonna get I don't know. The Ryzen 7, this is the best processor in the world. It's 5.2 gigahertz and 4.7 gigahertz. Like, it's decent, but I'm gonna get the Ryzen 7, Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. This is $500. Dang. Okay, this is our processor. 4.2 gigahertz. It should be pretty good. CPU cooler. That's definitely gotta go down for this one. Oh, I like the Thermalite Aqua Elite V3, 1500 RPM. Is it compatible? Yep. Let's. Okay, I'm just gonna get an Asus motherboard. No, MSI. Carbon Wi-Fi. That looks decent. It is. Yep, it's black. $500 though. This is gonna be our pretty expensive build. This is gonna be really expensive. Let's choose the memory. We're gonna go in order for this one. DDR5 6400 will be good. So I'm gonna add 2 things of that. That should be and it's compatible. Okay, for the storage. I just want to get like a couple terabytes. I'll get 4 terabytes. 4 terabyte build. No, let's actually wait. There's one here for like 20 terabytes. 24 terabytes. Now let's get another 8 terabytes. It's a 12 terabyte build. This is going to be a really expensive build. Okay, so we have 12 terabytes. Graphics card. Should I just get a 4090? No, let's get a 4070 Super. 12 VRAM, 12 gigabytes of VRAM. That should be good. The case. I don't even know. How far? I'm only 2 minutes and I'm already almost done. 2 minutes into this recording. What the heck? This is like a speed run round, basically. This is a speed run. That one looks decent, but this one, the touch impotent, that's black. I'm just gonna go for this one. It's not that expensive. Let's choose a power supply. This one, but I need like a higher watt. 1,850 watts and white and black, so that'll be good. I might actually want to change this processor. Maybe. Maybe I want to change that processor. Okay, total. It was $4,000, and there's no matter what I do, it's still gonna be $4,000. Okay, let's get 10. Oh, there's no prices available. 10 home retail. I want download 64-bit. And boom, how expensive is the PC? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Okay, see you for like the 8th PC or like the billion. This is the final part of the compilation, everybody. Yep, final part. Okay, final PC. CPU time. Intel Core i9. Nah. I'm gonna go with the Ryzen 7 5800X. Yep. Decent processor, 8 cores. I don't even know how many threads it has though. I'm so tired. Okay. I do not know. Okay. Let's just get that. They're compatible. Motherboard, Gen 3. Let's scroll really down. Is this a toaster? No, it's actually decent. Okay. That's only DDR4 3200. Is there any DDR5 right now? Nope, no DDR5. It's all DDR4. I hate this so much. 3600. I'll just get a little bit of memory for this PC. Oh my god. My mouth hurts and now I'm talking like that. Oh, I'm so dang tired. Wait, what storage even is that? Is that a terabyte? Yeah, that's only 1 terabyte. Let's get the 2 terabyte. Okay, 3 terabyte. 2 terabyte build. A graphics card. Let's just we could get a 3080. Let's get an RTX 3080. Nope. Let's get a 46. Let's get a 4070. Yep. There we go. Whew. I am so tired. That is an sick case. Oh my god. Okay, operating system. DVD 64-bit. No, I went Windows 10. DVD 64-bit. No, and there's no prices available. I can't get it. Okay. But let's just do a power supply. Power supply. It's only 550 watts. I'll just get the 750 watts. Operating system. Pro retail. Yeah, I'm fine with that. There's no prices available. I don't care. I'm actually just gonna cheat. That is the end of this video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, this took 2 days to make. Well, more like 1.5 days. But yeah, this took a long time to make. So you guys better like and subscribe. Peace. The final PC of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this compilation because this took 3 days to make. Didn't take that long, but took a lot bit. It might actually take more than that to make, but they're like 8th PC, right? Okay. What do we want? I want an Intel one this time. I looked the i9, but no, I don't want that. We could get the i3. No, this is the Ultra i9. Yeah, 5.7 gigahertz Arab Lake into. That's gonna be good, but it's $600, so it's gonna be an expensive build. Let's just see what we can do. $1,000. Is this compatible? Yes. We're gonna try and make the most expensive build. This is okay. The motherboard. Most expensive build. Come on. Let's get to those expensive builds. Expensive motherboards. $999. $1,000 is the only thing. It already costs $3,000 for this PC. What is the most expensive memory? $300. I think that's the most we'll find. 64 gigabytes of memory. That's all we need. Okay, Samsung 990 Pro. No, we need 4 terabytes. Yep. It says 4 terabytes, 8 terabytes, 12 terabytes, and 16 terabytes. Video card. 3060. No, I want a 4090. I said a 4090. Come on, let's go. Oh, I'm so tired. It's only 10 a.m. RTX 4090. 4090. $8,000. Dent in the bank account. Let's add one more. And let's just add another 4090. This is our best budget setup. I mean PC. Come on. Touch Infinite is the most expensive case, I guess. Yeah, it's a white case. Oh, wait, they have compatibility issues. Should I add another 4090? No, no. We have to get a black case. Black case. Black. Boom, that's great. What about the power supply? I need like 1,000, 50 watts. This is this is so budget. It's so budget, I swear, totally, right? Right, everybody, it's so budget, I guess. Most expensive, 10 home retail. Yeah. Yeah, I want that. And that was our final PC. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this compilation. Yeah. See you next video. Peace.